Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and the exact firmware package. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then connect to your PC. Make sure the ROM matches your model and variant. Using the wrong file can brick the device. Once done, confirm you have a full backup so you can restore settings if needed. Also install ADB and fastboot on your computer and verify the device appears with a DB devices. Now you're ready to move into the flashing steps. You will now flash the ROM using the appropriate method. If fastboot ROM, boot into fastboot and run fastboot commands step by step, checking return codes. If recovery ROM, use the updater or sideload via ADB. Make sure to run any unlock or wipe commands only when required and understand they erase user data. Use transitional checks, confirm partition rights, then reboot to recovery to clear caches. If an error appears, read the exact message before retrying. You finish by rebooting and verifying the update completed successfully. Let the phone complete initial optimizations, then confirm the MIUI build number and core functions like Wi-Fi, cellular, and camera. Once stable, restore your backup and reconfigure accounts. If the device fails to boot, remain calm, re-enter fastboot, and either reflash the correct ROM or restore the previous image. One key troubleshooting tip: check logs and error codes, then search for model-specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.